going, guys? Today's episode is about unboxing. But we're not doing unboxing really. We're gonna do some experiment with regards to our gadget. We had trouble on doing the voice over or the way we narrate our video. So we have trouble on it. We cannot hear because of the background or the noise or the wind noise or something like that. We're gonna do some experiment. I went online and get these two gadgets. I hope this gadget will help us improve our video in terms of when I speak to you guys. It's gonna be clear. It's gonna be loud and clear inside, indoor. But when you go outside, when you go by the beach, by the park, anywhere with noises, with the background, with the surrounding cars and everything on it, we're gonna kind of lost our dialogue with regards to what we're talking about. Plus all my video with background music on it, because I like to listen to the music when I cook, when I travel, when I bike, when I run, when everything I do is all with music on it. So we're gonna open this one and we're gonna see if this will help improve our video. So come join me on this one. Okay, let's do this. Music please. Dun 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 dun. Oh! What the? Ta-da! And the first winner is just a SC7 connector, guys, and this one right here. And music, dun 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 dun. Hey, there it is, the road to success. Boom, and let's sort this one out. Okay, here it is. This one is to control the wind noise and background noise. So we use it's called the shotgun mic, and shotgun microphone by Rode. And these are gonna be clicking like this. See that? And let's mount it here first. But in order to connect this one, we're gonna use one of the connector. I think this one's from China. Yeah, product from China. China always make some gadget like to connect things, you see, because you can only connect this one on like proper DSLR or something like that. So it needs to be connected this bit like that, and it goes in here like this. I will show you the magic trick. Dun, 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 dun. Now I have to put some music on this one. So let's get big. We use our S9. We use our S9 Plus and our GoPro, the one that we're using now. to make some foam. And this is the time we use SC7. I was one of my researchers told me that this will control the sound, like, you know, there's a bang sound when you use this shotgun mic to your mobile. And we're gonna use this one. And I think the black should go in here first, and this one goes in here on your socket. Why is it sliding? Alright. And we have the microphone in. Dun, 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 dun. So we're gonna test this one actually outside, but we're not near the beach, but still it goes like that. So off to test this one, and I hope it does work, because if not, we are in trouble. Or maybe you could, like, if you're doing a blog for yourself, maybe you could like choose it like this. It's not fitting. Like this. So, and press record. Boom, can you hear me? Oh no, this is indoor, so they obviously could hear me. This is gonna be like clear because it's indoor, but we're gonna try it outdoor. Cha-ching! So that's it. So that's it for today. Today's vlog. That's it. There you go. That's it for today's vlog, and it's about experimenting things with the new gadget. And this we're gonna try it on somewhere outdoors, somewhere by the beach, or somewhere by the park where a lot of noises in and out of our video. We're gonna do I will leave you an update when I will leave you an update with regards to the result of this experiment soon with my other vlog. So hope you enjoyed this one. Please subscribe, like, make a comment, yada yada yada. If you have this kind of technology you're using, like this here. Oh, I kinda connect this one with the, yeah, we have to do some experiment on that one as well. So until the next